let's go find the perfect setup. We're looking for the cross of the moving averages. We're looking for the CCI and the stochastic to be in the danger zone, as well as the PSR to be on the bottom if we are buying and on the top of the candle if we are selling. And we're looking for really strong candles. Here we are up in the danger zone, and I am going to hit it, but it might not make it, and that is okay. Nope, and we got it. All right, as you can see, you gotta have faith in yourself that you have chosen the right trade. Now, that is not the perfect setup, but you can see that we have our cross of our moving averages. We are up in the danger zone and has not completely come back yet. Now it is, and you can see with the SMA, which is the yellow moving average, that it's not really inside the candle. It's more like on the bottom of it. That is a sign of reversal. Now you can learn all about this right inside of my Telegram channel, but that is as close to perfect as you can possibly get it. But if you want to learn everything that you need to know about this, it's inside Telegram, 100% free. If you want to join my VIP channel where I literally go over everything that you could possibly ever want to know about this on-demand ATM super simple strategy, head over to 𝐬𝐸_TWK and you can start trading with Kristen today. Otherwise, subscribe, smash that like, drop me a comment, and tell me what part of this you don't understand so that I can help you.